Hello friends, today I show you what is the best gaming, streaming and video editing PC, not only video editing, all editing, gaming and streaming. And after watching this video, you can able to buy your parts of your PC and guys, these parts here you can see to just buy them in online or you to just try offline and online. And this is budget PC, not high end. And you can see number one is AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. And guys, it will come with AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics. And guys, this is the best graphics. It will run all games without any lag in high settings, and video editing will incredible. It will very smooth without any problem. And guys, in this budget there is no graphics card, and the graphics card is internal Vega graphics, but is the best graphics card. And it will smooth in all your games without any problem. And it is presently in online 9899. And guys, just try it offline. It will come under 7000 or I think 8000. And number second is a motherboard. I chose gigabyte this gigabyte GA320M S2H. And guys, it will support your AMD Ryzen process, AM1 socket processor. And guys, this processor will insert in just AM4 socket. And this is the best motherboard for AMD processor. This is for gaming, streaming, and editing. This is the best motherboard. And guys, you can see motherboard will look like this. So very big, not that much big. And these are the ports. This is a. It will come with a HDMI port, and there are so many ports here. And it will come with USB 3.0 and 2.0, and it will come under 4495. And if you try it in offline, it will, I think it will come like 3500, I think so. And and if it is a increased rate in offline, you just buy it online. Just compare the rate in offline and online. And guys, number third is we are going to hard disk, and this is Security Berkuda 1 TB. It's a faster hard disk, and it will come. It will transfer 6 GB per second. The best hard disk. It will faster than old hard disk, and it is just 1 TB, and it is a rate is 3381. And if you're looking offline, it will, I think so, it is 3000. Just compare the rates in offline and online. And after that, guys, smps, it is 80 plus bronze sapphire. This is a corsair smps, the best smps. It's a 450 watts. If you upgrade your parts in motherboard, then no problem. It is 450 watts is more enough. And it's just 3000 rupees exactly, and not exactly 3000 2 rupees. And if you buy it in offline, I think so it will increase or decrease rates. I don't know that. And if you go to the and guys, if we go to RAM, and that is we are using HyperX Fury 8 GB RAM, and it is 3506 rupees in online. You can try it in offline also. And offline is low rate, you can buy there. If it's online is low rate, your wish, where you can buy that. This is a HyperX Fury. And now let's go to, guys, this is a DDR4. And it's and guys, this motherboards only support DDR4. Okay, and it has two slots of RAM here, and it will also support HDMI. And now let's go to now guys, let's go to case. And guys, Chiptronics. It's a Chiptronics X410B mid tower case. This is the best case. And guys, its cost is 2099 rupees. And if you tried it in offline, I think rate will be decreased or increased. Your wish, you can buy it in offline or online. And that case look like this. It's very big, and there is no heating problems in this case because it's very big. And at the front you can see there are RGB here at the top. There's so many ports here at the back also. And now let's go to next. And guys, for monitor I choose Zebronics monitor, and it's a Zebronics anti-glare HD slim design. It's a HD monitor. At the back it has a VGA and HDMI, two ports, VGA and HDMI. You can connect to any one. And guys, this motherboard has a HDMI port. You can use with HDMI. And guys, now and guys, it cost is 4,813. And if you look it in, guys, if you look it in offline, it I think it decrease or increase rate. Just can search your rate here in offline. And if your rate is low in offline, you can buy there your wish. You can buy anything here or other monitor, but choose HDMI, don't use VGA port monitors. And now let's go to keyboard. We are using RGB keyboard here, RGB mechanical keyboard. It is the best for gaming here. RGB's ZEP Transformer gaming keyboard and mouse combo pack, the two gaming mouse and gaming keyboard. And guys, cost like 1,399. And you can also try it in offline and online. Your wish. This is mouse, and mouse is so nice here. And in the keyboard, you can see there are RGB lights here. Or you can buy other keyboard also your wish. And guys, or you can buy your headset also. And that's it, guys. And guys, if you like this video, click on like button. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to me, guys. It will motivate you to do more videos. Please subscribe to me, guys. Meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.